Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create tutorial clips using Revid.ai. So you will just follow these steps and you will just go on the top. You will see from here you will just tab on create new video easily, and after here if you want to create a short tutorial you will just select it a short video generator, and you will just add your own script, video script, just enter it and it will create it a short tutorial. And the second option is you will just also add your own media. We just select it if you want to stock videos, add moving AI images, AI video, and you can also your own media. So I will just selected my own media. I will just tab on it easily, and I will just select any of video to show you how to create tutorial. And after loading, if I scroll down, so from here you will just select the voices. If you want to like, just tab on this gender option. If you want to male voice you will just tab on male. If you want to like female, so you will just select it easily. So I will just like male if I want to show you.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
So I will just selected the male voice, and the next step is you will also add your own audio and generate music from here. You can also add your you can just upload it from your desktop if you have. So right now I will just tap on this generate video button, and let's see. So you can just easily after editing export your video for sharing on social media platform. I will just tap on it and let's see. There is no input detected because I have not purchased the plan of Revid.ai. It said the estimated cost is 10 credits, but right now I will have a 0 credit. But the thing is that you will simply just put your video on here, and it will generate a short tutorial for you. So this is, you can just easily create tutorial clips in Revid.ai using. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.